You've had your fun with your chilli sticks and your chilli pops, your chilli drinks and all your apple bobbing and everything else. You've probably got some dry ice left. Right, maybe half of that. Do you remember the box it all got delivered in? What we've done, we've cut a hole here. Just put some of this dry ice back into the box. Alright, just probably about that much in there. So weight wise, I really don't know. Get your kettle hot water, stand well back, keep your pets and your kids under control because here it comes. There's your homemade smoke machine.